Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how you can draw in Microsoft Excel, how you can do a freehand drawing in Microsoft Excel, how you can get the pictures from your freehand drawing. Just like in you usually use different softwares for drawing like Paint, you can draw the things by using freehand and whatever you want. So today I'm going to tell you how you can draw different pictures that whatever you want in the Excel. For that you have to go to the draw tab in the Excel. Here you have different options. These are different drawing tools here. So what we have to do, if we want to draw with our fingers or with our pen, we can use this option. And by using these are the different colors. This is highlighter, this is eraser, and these are the tools that can be used to select the freehand drawing so that you can convert them into the shapes. Now how it will work, let's see. So I am going to select this color, and I can also change the thickness like from here and the colors as well. And I want to draw a circle. So this is a freehand circle and it doesn't look good. So if you want to convert it into a proper circle, what you have to do is you have to go to, these are basically the tools that you can use to select this shape. And once you select this shape, you will just go to the option of ink to shape and it will convert it into the proper shape. And now you can edit this shape according whatever you want, like by double clicking on it or by going to the format shape option. So once you have the format shape option, you can use different things from here, like you can fill it with the color, or you can change its border, you can change its size, or you can change the pattern inside it, whatever you want. So this is how you can draw one picture. Let's see if I want to draw another picture. If I want to draw like a triangle. Now, for example, I draw it like this. I just left a space between the two lines. What will happen? Now let's go to the select tool and select this shape and let's see what will happen. See, it has taken it as a triangle, and if I convert it into ink to shape, you will see it's not in a proper way, like it's tilted or like in this way. So this is a triangle and you can adjust it also as well. So you can change its border, you can change the color as I already told you by right clicking on it and go to the format shape option. Similarly, one more thing important that I want to tell you here is, if I draw a rectangle like this and then I skip here and then I complete it in a way like this. And if I go to the select tool and I select this shape, you can see that it will not consider it one. It means whenever you want to draw the shape, you have to go in one round. You need not to stop anywhere while doing a freehand drawing in Excel. Otherwise, it will not detect what shape you want to draw. Now see, if I select this shape and if I select it, this is the shape, and if I say convert it into a proper shape, so it is not converting it because it is not recognizing what shape it is. So for that I have to draw it in a way. Let's see how will I draw it. I'll delete it and draw it again so that you can have the concept that how you should draw. So I'm going to draw it like I want to draw a rectangle. So I am going to draw. So I want to draw a rectangle. So again I'll give to select tool. I have to select this shape and then I'll convert into ink to shape. So it has clearly converted it to a rectangle because I have drawn it with the freehand in just one go. I have not skipped divided into two parts. Like I have not drawn it in a way that first I will draw this, then I move somewhere else, and then I will draw this. So I have to draw it in one flow so that you can get a proper picture. Similarly, if I want to draw so these are the shapes. So if I want to draw another shape, so I'll select it. Oh, it has gone wrong. So what I will do, I can use a delete option as well, and I also have a eraser that I can use to erase it. So I am going to draw it again. So again I have to go to select tool, I have to select this shape, and then I will convert ink to shape. So this is how you can draw different shapes by using your freehand drawing and then converting them into the proper shape by using the option of ink to shape, so that you can get the fine images that you actually want. So this drawing tool is very helpful. You can use it. So you can also write whatever you want inside these shapes, their names, and these are all editable. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.